G'day folks, and welcome to tonight's show. On this week's episode, we drive the entire length of the Tamar River from Launceston through to Greens Beach. We ride alongside the river. We see the dying off of the grapes at the vineyards in the valley, and we visit a pontoon at Kelso. So grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. Through the town of Exeter, home of Bert Munro's restaurant. Cafe. There it is there. I'll fall in on the way home if it's still open. Got to whistle through Beaconsfield, who've just celebrated an anniversary of the mine collapse. I'll put the anniversary down here. I don't know whether you can see that, the Melbourne Tower. That overlooks the town. Beautiful old pub. I think that was a pub at one stage too. Back in its heyday. Another pub there. On still operation. Swing around here on the Green Beach Road. Greens Beach Road even. Devil Country. Love it. Wowee, Greens Beach has definitely evolved since last time I was down here. It's been a red hot minute, let me tell you. See down here, shopping, well, it used to be shopping, servo and golf club. Yeah, the golf course is still there. Beautiful little picnic areas here on this side. It's a caravan park on that side. Main drag here. Pretty quiet today, but through the summer you can imagine should be pumping. It's just a nice shallow beachfront for swimming. I think they do some surf training here. Only basics. I don't think the swell's ever big enough for massive surfing, but a beautiful area. And basically to my left there's a sand dune bank straight onto the beach. I'll show you that shortly. Looks like the end of the road here. Yep. It's as good a spot as any to stop, isn't it? So we've arrived at Greens Beach, just heading over the dune, as I mentioned before, that runs along the roadside. Just climbing up, pretty easy to do, and expose you to the beach. Let me flip you around and show you what's going on. There you have it, Greens Beach. Beautiful spot, nice and safe for the kids. It's fairly shallow as far as beaches go. Sands are pretty good sand for a Tassie beach. You're allowed to bring your dog down here as long as the proviso you keep her on the lead. Oh yeah. Quite pretty. I don't know whether you can see that or not, but that is the Lowhead Lighthouse up there on the point. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then it's the dune. I can show you that. It's got me to have my shadow in it, sadly. There's the sand dune, vegetated, so keeping it all stabilised. But yeah, summertime, you come down here, there'll just be people here everywhere, up in the dunes, on the picnic spots. It's a pretty spot. There's quite a few people live here now. It's a lovely place to live. So that's Greens Beach. We might head back and we'll stick our head in at Kelso and have a little look in there. That's quite pretty too. That's sort of in the river, where this is at right out the mouth of the river into Bass Strait. Let's do that. Let's go. So I can find my way back off here. There's a beast. Hopefully ready to go. To Kelso. Was in my shirt, not in my helmet, so that's fucking handy, isn't it? Anyway, so we're at Kelso, directly opposite that town you can see across the river. That will be Georgetown, and then Lowhead at the mouth of the Tamar River. What a beautiful spot. Just sit back there with the picture of the bike against the river. Tide is out. I'm not sure whether it's coming or going, but you can see where it comes up to. They tell me that it's very good whiting fishing here at times of the year, but I don't know how far out the river you need to get to the river proper, or they come up on the flats. But there'd be some pretty good fun to be had if they come up on the flats, that's for sure. Anyway, we will keep trudging back down the river. It's turned into a magic day. Those rain clouds have disappeared, which is good. So we'll get cracking. The old Kelso pontoon. Let's go and check it out. Nice clear water. Plenty of weed, just what the whiting like. And the squid. Yes, well, have a look at the pontoon. Obviously the squid run through here, covered in squid ink. Hold on, I must remember that. Beautiful. Beautiful day. Wow. We got some choppers over here. Chopping. The winter wood in. Let's come down and have a fish one day. Magic. Rosie's Tavern. Yes, many a drunken escapade there. In my youth, my old boss used to live down this way. I used to come down here and get on the juice quite frequently. Great pub. Spent a ton on it since then, of course, but a great pub. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the show tonight. It was fairly lame, but it did show you somewhere where I've never taken you before, for those that don't live in the north of the state. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Let's go.